In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Zoho Mail. Whether you're cleaning up your accounts or just need to reorganize your user list, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's navigate through the necessary steps to ensure you can manage your users efficiently. First, you'll need to access the admin console. To get there, open your browser and type in mailadmin.zoho.com. When you arrive at the site, you'll be prompted to sign in as a super administrator. It's important to have this level of access because it ensures you have the rights to manage users and make significant changes within the system. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the Users or User Details section. This area is where you can see all the user accounts associated with your Zoho Mail. If you're managing a team or a large number of accounts, this section becomes crucial for organization and oversight. Now on to selecting the user or users you plan to remove. You'll notice a checkbox next to each user's name. Simply check the box corresponding to the user or users you wish to delete. An advantage here is that Zoho Mail allows you to delete multiple accounts simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing a sizable team and need to make bulk changes without going through each account one by one. Once you've selected the users for deletion, it's time to proceed with deleting them. At the top of the menu, you'll find a Delete button, or you might see a trash icon next to each user. Clicking on the Delete button or this icon initiates the removal process. However, Zoho takes security seriously, so you'll be required to re-authenticate. This step could involve entering your password again or using multi-factor authentication if it's set up on your account. It's an essential step to ensure that no unintended deletions occur. Finally, after you've re-authenticated and confirmed your intent to delete, the user and all their associated Zoho Mail data will be permanently removed. Remember, this action is irreversible, so double-check that you've selected the correct users to avoid any unintended data loss. And there you have it, a simple yet secure way to manage and delete user accounts in Zoho Mail. It's crucial to periodically review and delete unnecessary accounts to maintain optimal organization and security within your mail platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you manage your Zoho Mail users with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.